Welcome to this complete Dortmund, Germany guide. Dortmund, a vibrant city in the heart of Germany, brims with a unique blend of history, culture, and modernity. Whether you're a sports enthusiast, a nature lover, an art aficionado, or a history buff, Dortmund has something to offer you, from breathtaking gardens to world-class museums, from bustling shopping centers to iconic landmarks. It's a city that promises a diverse range of experiences. So, without further ado, let's jump into our list of the top 13 things to do in Dortmund. Starting off our journey, we have the magnificent Westfalenpark. This sprawling, lush oasis in the heart of Dortmund is a feast for the senses, with meticulously landscaped gardens that burst into a riot of color with each season. It's a haven for those who seek tranquility and the simple pleasures of nature. Just a stone's throw away, we find the Dortmund U-Tower. Once a brewery, it's now a thriving center for arts and creativity. Its transformation is a testament to Dortmund's remarkable ability to reinvent itself while preserving its rich history. The U-Tower is a beacon for culture vultures, hosting an array of contemporary art exhibitions, installations, and performances that push the boundaries of imagination. These two attractions, though vastly different, are united in their commitment to providing enriching experiences for their visitors. Whether you're a nature lover or an art enthusiast, these two attractions are a must-see. Next on our list is a treat for all football fans out there. Now let's immerse ourselves in the pulsating heart of German football at Signal Iduna Park. This stadium, home to the Borussia Dortmund football team, is known for its electrifying matches and the Yellow Wall, one of the largest freestanding grandstands in Europe. Feel the adrenaline pumping through your veins as you imagine being surrounded by 80,000 fervent fans, all chanting in unison. Just a stone's throw away, we find another gem, the German Football Museum. This is not just a museum, it's a journey through time, tracing the footsteps of legendary players and unforgettable matches. Here you can relive the triumphant moments of German football, from the miracle of Bern to the summer fairy tale of 2006. The museum's interactive exhibits and immersive multimedia spaces offer a unique experience that goes beyond the traditional museum visit. Whether you're a football fan or not, these attractions offer a unique insight into Germany's football culture. Moving on, we have the Romberg Park Botanical Garden and the Dortmund Zoo. Nestled in the heart of Dortmund, the Romberg Park Botanical Garden is a horticultural haven, boasting a rich tapestry of flora from around the world. The garden's history dates back to the early 19th century, originally conceived as a private English landscape garden. Today, it's a vibrant testament to nature's artistry, offering a tranquil retreat from the urban hustle. Just a stone's throw away is the Dortmund Zoo, a sanctuary for over 1,500 animals spanning 250 species. Its history is equally fascinating, founded in the mid-20th century with a focus on preserving and showcasing species from South America. From the playful antics of the capuchin monkeys to the majestic prowling of the jaguars, the zoo offers a window into the diverse wildlife of Dortmund. These two attractions offer a chance to immerse yourself in the natural beauty and wildlife of Dortmund. Next up, we have the Brewery Museum Dortmund and Darsa Working World Exhibition, the Brewery Museum. Dortmund is a fascinating journey through the history of beer production, offering a deep dive into the art of brewing. Housed in one of Dortmund's last remaining brewery buildings, it's a treasure trove of brewing equipment, historical documents, and old beer bottles. Not to mention, the museum offers a tantalizing taste of Dortmund's famous beers. Just a short hop away is the Darsa Working World Exhibition, a unique museum that gives visitors a hands-on experience of the world of work. It's not your typical museum. Here you can try your hand at various occupations, learn about workplace safety, and explore the evolution of work in the digital age. Both the Brewery Museum Dortmund and Darsa Working World Exhibition provide an intriguing glimpse into Dortmund's industrial past, blending education and entertainment in a truly immersive way. These two attractions offer a unique look into Dortmund's industrial history. Moving on, we have the historic Reinoldikirche and the Museum Ostwall. Steeped in history, the Reinoldikirche is a prominent landmark in Dortmund. This magnificent church dates back to the 13th century and is dedicated to the patron saint of the city, Saint Reinold. Inside you'll find a wealth of religious art, including a stunning golden altar and the famous Sigiburg Madonna. The church's tower offers an unparalleled view over the city, a fitting reward for those willing to climb the 200 steps to the top. Just a stone's throw away, the Museum Ostwald beckons. Housed in the iconic Dortmund U-Tower, this modern art museum is a treasure trove of 20th and 21st century art. The museum's collection spans painting, sculpture, graphic art, photography and objects of the applied arts, with a particular focus on Expressionism and post-1945 art. These two attractions are a must-visit for history and art lovers. Last but not least, we have the Phoenix Lake, Gallery and Florian Tower. Phoenix Lake is a gem in the heart of Dortmund. Once the site of a steel mill, the area has been transformed into an idyllic urban oasis. The lake's serene waters and surrounding parklands invite visitors to slow down and enjoy a leisurely stroll. The lake also serves as a venue for various events throughout the year, promising a lively atmosphere that contrasts with its tranquil setting. From the tranquil Phoenix Lake, we move to the bustling Gallery. This shopping complex is a haven for shopaholics, offering a wide array of stores to satisfy every taste and budget. Its impressive architecture blends seamlessly with the surrounding cityscape, making it a must-visit spot for architecture enthusiasts as well. Lastly, we reach the Florian Tower, affectionately known as Florian Turm. This towering structure is a beacon in Dortmund's skyline, standing at a staggering 220 meters. It's not just the height that's impressive. The tower also features an observation deck that offers panoramic views of the city. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or simply a lover of beautiful vistas, Florian Turm is a must-visit, so there you have it. From a peaceful lake to a bustling shopping complex and a towering structure offering breathtaking views, Dortmund truly has it all. These attractions offer a mix of relaxation, shopping and breathtaking city views. So, there you have it. 13 fantastic things to do in Dortmund, Germany. From the tranquil green oasis of the Westfalenpark to the pulsating cultural hub of the Dortmund U-Tower, our journey began on a high note, didn't it? Our exploration led us to the heart of Dortmund's footballing culture. The exhilaration of a Borussia Dortmund match at Signal Iduna Park, coupled with the immersive history at the German Football Museum, painted a vivid picture of the city's love for the beautiful game. We then took a stroll through the Romberg Park Botanical Garden and visited the Dortmund Zoo. The variety of flora and fauna we encountered was astounding, wasn't it? A true testament to Dortmund's commitment to preserving nature in its purest form, the Brewery Museum. Dortmund and the Dasa Working World exhibition gave us a taste of the city's industrial heritage. From learning about Dortmund's brewing traditions to understanding the evolution of the work environment, these places surely offered a unique perspective. Our encounter with the historic Reinoldikirche and the modern Museum Ostwald showcased Dortmund's rich tapestry of heritage and art. The city's ability to balance the old with the new is truly remarkable, wouldn't you agree? A leisurely walk around Phoenix Lake, a spot of shopping at Gallery, and the panoramic city views from the Florian Tower concluded our tour, leaving us with a sense of contentment and a longing for more. Each of these 13 attractions has its unique charm and significance, creating a diverse and vibrant tapestry that represents Dortmund's spirit. They offer a blend of history, culture, sports, nature and modernity that makes Dortmund a must-visit city. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a football fan, a nature lover or a history buff, Dortmund's wide array of attractions ensures there's something for everyone. With so much to see and do, Dortmund is a destination that has something for everyone. So why wait? Start planning your trip today.